Channing Tatum's deal with 20th Century Fox to play leading man Remy LeBeau in its upcoming X-Men spin-off film Gambit is allegedly in danger of falling apart, according to The Wrap. The rumour comes via an unnamed source who claims the star is planning to exit the project. A second source confirmed to The Wrap that representatives for Tatum remain in active discussions with Fox, but apparently conceded that something is up. Fox and Tatum are yet to comment on the matter. At this stage, Gambit is set to hit cinemas on October the 7th, 2016, and is due to begin filming this October, with Rise of the Planet of the Apes director Rupert Wyatt at the helm. Tatum, who has been brushing up on his card tricks for the role, was last seen at San Diego Comic-Con enthusiastically promoting the upcoming mutant stint. For more on the story as it develops, stick with IGN.